On Saturday, April 27th, we celebrated the Homegrown in Hayward event at Bidwell Park, part of the Hayward People's Budget Initiative. Through this program, the city allocated $350,000 to fund community-led projects, and residents voted for a pop-up community garden in Sector 4. Over 400 local residents attended, engaging in hands-on learning about gardening, composting, and sustainable practices. The event succeeded in fostering neighborhood connections, with many sharing their appreciation for the chance to meet neighbors and enjoy gardening together. We organized the compost giveaway with our Maintenance Services Division, distributing 600 bags of compost to help residents start their gardening projects. The Hayward Library's Seed Lending Program provided a sensory seed ball activity, allowing participants to plant native plants. Other interactive activities included pot painting and bouquet making. In partnership with the UC Regents, we gifted over 600 plants and offered master gardening sessions and an Ask a Master Gardener booth for expert advice. The City of Hayward provided free meals, refreshments, and desserts, featuring local vendors like Hela Mas Mexican-Filipino food truck and Sweet and Mellow coffee truck. The Hayward Library's Kirby mobile library offered free access to books, games, and school supplies, along with information about city services and events. Thank you to everyone who made Homegrown in Hayward a success. Together, we're growing not just gardens, but a stronger, more connected community.